Good day everyone. For today's video, let's tackle about evaluating polynomials. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-evaluate ng polynomial functions. So, to evaluate a polynomial function, sabi dito, just substitute the given value of x in the function, then solve for the value of x, fx. Naintindihan nyo? So, let's have our example. The polynomial. P of x equals 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 1. Then, we are asked to evaluate P of positive 2. So, ang ating x is magiging x equals to 2. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin gagawin ay i-input lang natin dito yung positive 2. Let's try. So, P of positive 2 5 of positive 2 cube minus 4 of positive close parenthesis positive 2 squared plus close parenthesis 2 minus 1. So, after natin ma-input ang x natin, value of x natin is, we have to simplify this. Let's try. P of positive 2 equals 5. 2 times 2 times 2 equals positive 8 minus 4 and 2 times 2 equals positive 4 and 2 minus 1. Okay? After neto, we have to simplify the close parenthesis. P of positive 2 equals 5 plus 8 equals positive 13. So, negative 4 times 4 equals negative 16. Plus 2 minus 1. Pagkatapos natin simplify yung close parenthesis, we have to combine. P of positive 2 equals 13 minus 16 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. So, yan yung answer natin. So, ang P of 2 natin, P of positive 2 natin is 4. Okay? Intindihan nyo? Or 2. P of x equals x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 6. So, ang P of x natin is P of negative 2. So, katulad lang yung kanina. Ganito lang. Ang x natin, x value is magiging equals negative 2. So, we have to input this negative 2 sa ating variable na x. P of negative 2. So, ang x natin ay magiging negative 2. Parenthesis, negative 2 cube plus 4 close parenthesis, negative 2 squared plus close parenthesis, negative 2 plus 6. So, ang 6 natin ay constant. So, let's have to simplify. P of negative 2 equals negative 2 times negative 2 equals positive 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8 plus 4 close parenthesis, negative 2 times negative 2 equals positive 4. Positive times negative equals negative 2 plus 6. So, ang gagawin lang natin katulad ng dati, katulad ng kanina pala. So, simplify na lang natin itong close parenthesis. P of close parenthesis negative 2 equals negative 8 plus 4 times 4 equals positive 16 minus 2 plus 6. So, we have to combine. So, negative 8 plus 16 equals 8 plus negative 8 plus 16 equals positive 8 minus 2 equals 6 plus 6 equals positive 12. Yan lang. So, ang P of negative 12 natin, P of negative 2 natin is equals to 12. Okay? Naintindihan nyo? So, if you have question or clarification, just comment below, down below. Thank you for watching.